Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna answer a popular question: can you download apps on your Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4? Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, unfortunately, the answer is no. This Redmi Watch 4 does not support downloading apps because there is no app store available on the watch for adding new applications. But what do you get instead? The Redmi Watch 4 comes with several pre-installed applications, including workout, sleep, stress, tasks, phone, and music. These are the default apps, and they cover the essential functions you might need. If you check the Mi Fitness app on your phone, which looks like this, you will see that there is no option to download additional apps for your watch. The app only supports the built-in functionalities and settings of the Redmi Watch 4. But you can receive notifications from the apps which you have downloaded on your phone, such as WhatsApp, for example, or Facebook or Instagram, and so on. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.